These two key settings revived a video of mine that had less than 500 views and was also ranking 8 over 10, which means that that video was actually performing so bad, to a video that is currently 14,000 views and it is still counting. And the most shocking thing is that that video is currently going viral. So if you've ever made a video and you put a lot of effort into editing and then having to upload it on YouTube, and at the end of the day that video does not get any view or does not get the attention it demands, or YouTube is not pushing that video particularly, then this video is for you. Because in this video I'm about to show you the two settings that I unlocked to actually make this video start ranking from 8 over 10 to 1 over 10. Now let's not even talk about the revenue that particular video has generated so far. And in a day I get minimum of 1,000 to 2,000 views on that particular video. So this is to tell you that what I'm about to show you actually works if you implement it well. So do well to watch this video to the very end. Without much being said, let me take you straight into the main video. Hi guys, you're welcome back to this channel. My name is Buki. On this channel I share tips that can help you grow fast on YouTube, and also share tips you need to avoid as a YouTuber. So if this is the first time you're coming across this face, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and lastly, don't forget to comment in the comment section that you are a new YouTuber. Alright guys, so let me take you straight to my analytics to show you exactly what I'm saying. At least you need to see a proof of what I'm saying before I'm going to take you to the two main keys that I unlocked to make this video, start ranking 1 over 10, and it is also going viral. Now this is the video I'm actually talking about, where I talked about 4,000 watch hours. So I'm just going to click on it. Now you can see that this video is currently ranking 1 over 10. Let's click on the views, right? Now let me click on the first 24 hours to show you that this video was not actually doing so well. Now you can see here is the proof. Now you can see when I uploaded this video, I had 35 views. That was around 6:28 p.m. on the 24th of February, and then it kept increasing to 169 views that same day. And then to that same day it kept increasing 250 views. Right now I want you to notice something. You can see this graph here. Now look at this gray graph. This is to show you that whenever I upload a new video, in the first 24 hours I get at least 1,000 views to 1,200 views whenever I upload a new video on my channel. But when I uploaded this video, it was not even getting up to half. You can see the blue graph. It is showing that I only had 552 views in 24 hours. And one thing was that this particular video, I put a lot of effort into having to, film this video and edit. It took me 2 days to actually make this particular video and finish the editing. But when I uploaded it, the video was not even doing so well. It was very, very discouraging. So you can see that the line shows that I was not getting the kind of views I usually get on my, former videos. Now let me take you to since published to show you something. Now you can see on the third day after uploading it, I had 1,458 views, which means it took 3 days for this video to actually get to more than 1,000, which is unusual for my channel. Now let me take you to the 6th day. You can see it started blowing up on the 6th day. And this was when I actually implemented this two key strategy that I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now look at it. On the 2nd of March, it's skyrocketed to 5,623 views. On the 3rd of March, it had 7,018 views. On the 4th of March, it had 9,871 views. On the 5th of March, it had 12,339 views, and it kept going on and on and on. And I know by the time I upload this particular video, this video would have been at maybe 15,000 views, which means that this video is currently going viral. Now let me show you something again. This video gave me 784 watch hours. That means people are actually watching this particular video, and it gave me 380 subscribers, just one video. Now the first thing I did when I saw that this video was not doing so well was to wait after 24 hours of uploads. Okay, so if you upload a particular video and after 24 hours you notice that that video is not really doing so well, probably the views is not getting the engagement, then you need to do the first thing, which is changing the thumbnail. Now whenever you upload a new video, do not change the thumbnail of that particular video immediately after making it publish. After you upload your video, you need to put it on unlisted and then wait for some hours or for some days for the algorithm to actually understand what that video is about. So After making it public, do not ever make the mistake of changing that thumbnail immediately. At least leave it for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, when I noticed that that video was not picking, I had to, immediately redesign another thumbnail. This was the old thumbnail that was there. If you look at it, you're going to see that that thumbnail was not really too catchy, and it was painful for me because I know what was in that video was so detailed for that video not to even get any views at all. So I had to quickly go and re-edit another thumbnail. That was when I changed the thumbnail to this, which is the current thumbnail on that particular video. And after changing the thumbnail, I left it for another 24 hours to see how it is going to react. Now, one thing you need to know that after changing a thumbnail on a particular video, it is not immediately you're going to see results. Okay, you need to at least leave it for like 24 hours for you to actually see if your CTR is actually going to rise or not. Now, I forgot to show you the CTR of this video. It was so poor, but currently it is, it is high. Now, after 24 hours, if you see that the CTR is gradually going up, is gradually rising, probably your CTR was 3 point something before, and then after changing the thumbnail, you notice that the CTR is now 3.8, 3.9, going to 4.0 CTR. That means that thumbnail is actually working. Now, after changing the thumbnail and you notice that your CTR is slow in rising, then you need to do the second thing, which is tweaking your title. Now, there's one tricky part about changing title. Okay, don't just change all the old title. Now, let's assume on a particular title it was how to get 4,000 watch hours fast, right? And that title is not really giving you clicks. People are not clicking. You don't just change from how to get 4,000 watch hours to something different entirely. You still need to tweak it to still relate to the former title. Now, you can actually use ChatGPT for this, to actually get a new title for the video, okay, so that you don't have to change everything, because if you change everything, it is actually going to reset the algorithm, and it is going to reset the test phase of that particular video, and it may actually scatter everything. You understand? So these were the two things I did. I changed the thumbnail, and then, like I said, you have to do this strategically. And if you want to change the title, do not touch the thumbnail, because if you change these two at the same time, it may likely affect that video totally, and you're not even going to see any difference. You understand? And it may actually be worse. So if you want to change either thumbnail or your title, at least change the thumbnail or the title first, then you give it 24 hours to see if the CTR goes up or it is still the same level it is. Then if you see that there's no much changes, then after 24 hours of changing the thumbnail, you can now change the title. If you have a video that did not perform well after putting all the effort of uploading and doing the editing, one thing you need to do is to change the thumbnail. If the thumbnail is not catchy enough, people are not going to click. And if you don't get clicks, there's no way you're going to get views. Okay, so your thumbnail speaks for you, your title speaks for you. These two things are very important. People need to click for you to get views. If people don't click, no views. And for people to click on your videos, that means your title and your thumbnail needs to be very attractive. Okay, so these were the things I did, and it changed everything for that video. So if you find this video very helpful, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and lastly, don't forget to comment. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.